Hello guys, today we look Yamaha FZ25. A new adventure. Every day. For over a decade, the FZ series has rightfully retained the title of the Lord of the Streets. Inspiring riders from across the country, 12 years later, the iconic Yamaha FZ is geared up to push the limits even further as the all-new FZ25 with a BS6 compliant engine. Fitted with a bifunctional LED headlight with LED daytime running lamp to take you through the urban jungle and beyond. Because it believes that adventures don't have to be big to be unforgettable. What matters is you experience them every day. Enticing outside. Exciting inside. A street fighter with an acing 249 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, fuel-injected engine fine-tuned and optimized for the Indian conditions. Equipped with an advanced 4-row core oil cooler to keep the engine from heating up even in a maddening summer traffic. Supported by a 7-step adjustable monocross suspension for that extra riding comfort and dual-channel ABS for superior control. All this packed in a compact street fighter body that is not just designed to impress but express. Performance. BS6 compliant 249 cubic centimeters air-cooled, SOHC, 4-stroke single-cylinder engine plus trusted fuel injection technology. Even the freedom to be adventurous comes with a sense of responsibility. Based on a reliable 249 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine proven on a variety of sport bikes, the FZ25 has been fine-tuned and optimized for the Indian traffic conditions while keeping the BS6 emission norms under check. Truly, the Lord of Adventure, isn't it? 7-step adjustable monocross suspension. Now conquer your terrain effortlessly. The monocross suspension at the rear contributes to mass centralization for the best balance. So you get excellent riding comfort and an unparalleled handling stability. When the going gets rough, the adventurous get going. Comfort. Dual-channel ABS plus disc brake front 282mm / rear 220mm. Enjoy great performance now with superior control. Bigger calipers, bigger bike and that too precise braking even when the bike is speeding up, without any wheel lockups. This ensures a confident, inspiring ride and let the rider enjoy the ride to the fullest. 140mm wider rear tire. While you keep your head high, these super wide tubeless tires know how to keep the feet on ground. So you ride at the top your confidence. But taking the long route home also means taking a little more caution. This tubeless tire does just that for you. The rate of deflation is slow and uniform, giving you enough time to reach the nearest tire repair center, just in case. Inbuilt side stand engine cutoff switch. The days that you ride off without your side stand retracted are behind you. With the inbuilt side stand engine cutoff switch, you can be rest assured that you do not forget to remove side stand during those immediate rides. Design. Aggressive color scheme. New international colors with super edgy graphics, so every ride is a colorful adventure. Advanced midship muffler cover. While the sweet grunt of the muffler adds to the huskiness, the muffler cover gives an impression of sharpness, makes it look compact while protecting the pillion's feet from the heat. It's adventurous and it makes it loud and clear. Features. Class D bifunctional LED H/L plus LED daytime running lamp. Endless dark highways or a midnight street, flare up your path ahead and enjoy crystal clear vision. This advanced bifunction Class D-type headlamp has a single unit for both high and low beam. The result is a cool, compact and a lightweight design. Talk about the daytime running lamps and you have got an edgy boomerang design with brightness enough to stand out on foggy days and that also doubles up as a position light for enhanced night vision. Now that's born to be adventurous. Multifunction negative LCD instrument cluster. Readable even at the darkest hour and loaded with information like trip meter, check engine indicator and real-time mileage, so you are always prepared to take even the longest route. Lightweight body. Easier to control while enhancing economy at the same time. Makes the power-to-weight ratio just enough to keep you zipping. Undercowling. Well, if you are adventurous, mud and dirt splatter is going to be part and parcel of the game. The undercowl keeps you prepared for just that. Added masculinity, nothing like it. Ex-showroom price in Delhi. 1,47,900,000.